Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Calhoun County in south-central Michigan, Jackson County in south-central Michigan, until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marshall to Homerton near Coldwater, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Albion, Marshall, Homer, Brooklyn, Grass Lake, Burlington, Vandercook Lake, Leoni, Spring Arbor, Napoleon, Sandstone, Norvell.Marengo, Pulaski, Concord, Horton, Springport, Parma, Tekonsha. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.